It's the 10th of April and we're in Mellieħa to receive this injured Night Heron found on top of this building.
It's the 14th of April. We're here to release a black-crowned night heron that was we picked up earlier this week. It was found on top of a hotel roof in Mellieħa, and it was found to be so we took it to the vet, and she concluded that it was underweight, and so we nursed it, gave it some food and looked after it for a few days, and now we are here at Simar Nature Reserve to release the bird, and it has been ringed by a licensed bird ringer, and so it's going to be released back here. There, so it can be ringed so that it can be tracked if it's caught again, so its movements can be tracked wherever it goes onward on its migrations for its future. Okay.